A clogged or rusty cooling system quietly overheats an engine long before the temperature gauge ever spikes. In this video, we're ranking 5 of the best radiator flush products, from a fast 10-minute treatment to a heavy-duty rust remover. Every pick here clears out scale, sludge, and rust buildup before a fresh coolant fill. We're covering 5 different brands, so there's a fit for nearly any cooling system and budget. Stick around to find the right flush for your radiator. Number 1. MotorMedic 10-Minute Radiator Flush. MotorMedic's 10-Minute Radiator Flush opens this list as the fastest treatment here. This formula works in just 10 minutes, far faster than the overnight or multi-hour treatments some other flush products require. The fast-acting chemistry targets rust, scale, and sludge buildup inside the radiator and cooling passages. Drivers pour the flush directly into the radiator, run the engine to circulating temperature, then drain and refill with fresh coolant. That quick turnaround makes it practical for a driveway job on a weekend afternoon rather than an overnight soak. The compact 11-ounce bottle covers a single flush for most standard-size cooling systems. This flush suits drivers who want a quick maintenance job done in one sitting without waiting around. It also suits anyone doing routine seasonal maintenance who doesn't need an intensive, heavy-duty treatment. The straightforward pour-and-run process requires no special tools beyond what's already needed for a standard coolant change. This product suits drivers tackling their first DIY cooling system flush who want a simple, low-commitment starting point. Owners frequently mention using this as a quick pre-check before a full coolant service. That speed doesn't mean a weaker formula, just a more concentrated one designed for shorter contact time. Drivers maintaining an older vehicle often keep a bottle on hand for routine seasonal flushes. The concentrated formula still reaches deep into the radiator's internal passages, despite the shorter treatment window. Anyone short on time should start with something this fast. Number 2. BlueDevil 3-in-1 Radiator Flush. BlueDevil's 3-in-1 Radiator Flush combines 3 separate treatments into one bottle. This formula works as an oil degreaser, a radiator flush, and a rust remover simultaneously, cutting down on the number of separate products needed. That 3-in-1 approach saves a step compared to using a dedicated degreaser and a separate flush product. The 32-ounce bottle covers larger cooling systems or multiple smaller flushes from a single purchase. A multi-vehicle formula means this works across most car, truck, and SUV cooling systems without needing a vehicle-specific version. BlueDevil built its broader reputation on multi-function automotive chemical treatments across several product categories. The combined degreaser action helps remove oil contamination that sometimes enters a cooling system through a failing gasket. Rust removal continues working throughout the treatment cycle, not just during an initial soak period. This flush suits drivers dealing with a cooling system that has more than one type of contamination at once. It also suits anyone who wants to consolidate their maintenance products rather than buying a separate bottle for each specific job. That consolidation matters most for drivers working on multiple vehicles who want one product that handles several jobs. The larger bottle size also means less frequent repurchasing for anyone doing routine seasonal maintenance. Shops handling a variety of makes and models appreciate having one formula that works broadly. That broad compatibility removes the guesswork of matching a flush product to a specific vehicle. Number 3. Prestone AS105 Total Cooling System Cleaner. Prestone's AS105 brings the strongest track record in this guide. This total cooling system cleaner targets the radiator, the heater core, and the connecting hoses in a single treatment. Prestone has built decades of recognition, specifically in the cooling system and antifreeze category. The formula works to clear scale and rust deposits that build up gradually from years of coolant breakdown. Heater core cleaning matters because that component clogs just as easily as the radiator itself, often without an obvious warning sign. A 22-ounce bottle covers a standard flush for most passenger vehicles in a single application. The cleaning process pairs with a standard coolant drain and refill, requiring no specialized tools or equipment. Prestone's name recognition means replacement coolant and related products are easy to find at nearly any auto parts store. This flush suits drivers who want a proven, widely available brand backing their cooling system maintenance. It also suits anyone maintaining a daily driver who wants dependable, no-surprises performance from a trusted name. Long-term owners frequently mention using this product every couple of years as routine preventive maintenance. That preventive approach helps avoid the more serious repairs that come from years of neglected cooling system buildup. Widespread availability also means finding this product last minute before a road trip is rarely a problem. Drivers who prioritize a trusted, established name over trying newer or lesser-known brands will feel at home here. Number 4. Liqui Moly Radiator Cleaner. Liqui Moly's radiator cleaner brings a European engineering pedigree into this list. This cooler additive comes from a German manufacturer known for precision-engineered automotive chemical products. The 300 milliliter bottle is more concentrated than several other flush products in this guide, requiring a smaller dose per treatment. That concentration reflects a formulation philosophy common in European automotive chemicals, where potency often outweighs sheer volume. Liqui Moly built its global reputation primarily through motor oil and engine treatment products before expanding into cooling system care. The cleaner works to dissolve scale and mineral deposits that accumulate from hard water or degraded coolant over time. Compatibility spans most modern cooling systems, including those with aluminum components sensitive to overly aggressive chemical treatments. This flush suits drivers who specifically seek out European-engineered automotive chemicals for their maintenance routine. It also suits owners of European vehicles who prefer using products from the same automotive engineering tradition as their car. Owners of aging European vehicles particularly value products engineered with those specific cooling systems in mind. The concentrated formula means the smaller bottle size still delivers a full, effective treatment per use. That balance of concentration and gentle chemistry appeals to owners who worry about harsh treatments damaging aluminum components. Drivers switching from a domestic brand often notice the difference in how finely tuned the formula feels. Number 5. CRC Thermocure Coolant System Rust Remover. CRC's Thermocure closes this list as the heavy-duty rust specialist. This coolant system rust remover targets the most severe buildup that lighter flush products in this guide might not fully clear. The formula specifically dissolves rust scale and mineral deposits that accumulate over years of neglected coolant changes. A 32-ounce bottle provides enough concentrated formula for a thorough, intensive treatment cycle. CRC recommends running this product with the engine at operating temperature for an extended period, longer than the quick treatments earlier in this guide. That extended treatment time allows the formula to work deeper into stubborn rust and scale that resists faster products. This flush suits drivers dealing with a genuinely neglected cooling system that hasn't seen maintenance in years. It also suits anyone who bought a used vehicle with an unknown cooling system maintenance history and wants a thorough first treatment. CRC's broader reputation in automotive chemical treatments spans decades across multiple product categories beyond just cooling systems. Owners tackling a cooling system with visible rust in the coolant reservoir often reach for this product specifically. That targeted, intensive approach makes it less suited for routine maintenance on a well-kept cooling system. Drivers restoring an older vehicle back to reliable daily use frequently start the process with a treatment like this one. For a cooling system that needs real, intensive rust removal rather than routine upkeep, this is the last product on this list worth considering. That's 5 of the best radiator flush products, covering 5 brands from a quick 10-minute treatment to a heavy-duty rust remover. Which flush are you using on your next coolant change? Let us know in the comments.